In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a Terms and Conditions page to your Wix website. This is an essential step for any site owner, as having a clear Terms and Conditions page helps protect your business and informs your users of their rights and responsibilities. Let's walk through the process together, step by step. First, we need to create a new page in your Wix editor. To do this, navigate over to Menus and Pages, typically found in the left-hand menu. Once you're there, you'll want to click on the plus Add Page option. This will create a new blank page for you to customize. A window will pop up, prompting you to name the new page. Type Terms and Conditions in the provided field, then click Done to confirm. You now have a dedicated page ready for your Terms and Conditions content. Next, let's tidy up your site's navigation by hiding this page from the main menu. It's generally a good idea to keep your site's main menu focused on key sections like Home, About Us, and Contact. To hide the page, go into your newly created page settings. You'll find a toggle labeled Hide from Menu. Simply switch this toggle to On. While you're in the page settings, you might also want to hide the page from search engines, particularly if you don't want it showing up in search results. This can usually be done in the same settings menu. Now it's time to add your Terms and Conditions content. Navigate to your new Terms and Conditions page. Once there, you'll add a text box, which will be where you write or paste your content. In Wix, adding a text box is as simple as dragging it from the Elements menu onto your page. Make sure the text is clear, comprehensive, and covers all necessary points such as user obligations, privacy policies, and use of personal data. With your content in place, let's make sure visitors can find this page when needed by linking it from your site's footer. Head back to your homepage and scroll all the way down until you reach the footer. Click on the footer to activate it for editing. You'll want to add a new text element here, which will be used to link to your Terms and Conditions page. Type out Terms and Conditions and highlight the text. Look for the link icon in the toolbar, usually a small chain link symbol. Click on it, and from the options that appear, choose Page. Then select your newly created Terms and Conditions page from the list of options. And there you have it. Your Terms and Conditions page is now live on your site, properly connected, yet discreetly tucked away in the footer, maintaining a clean aesthetic for your visitors. Following these steps ensures your site remains professional and informative. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check back for more helpful tips on building a great website with Wix.